Hello, this is Squally Wally, and this is part 3 of starting a self-care business. Now, if you haven't seen part 2 and 1, you better go check that out. I made a playlist and I'm gonna link it down below because you're gonna want to see that before. You're not gonna want to miss those. They're really juicy. They're along my journey of like starting a self-care business, and I think it's a lot better when you see the whole thing from the beginning. So go ahead, if you haven't seen that, go ahead, click that, and come back to this one. But for all of those who've been here with me, welcome to part 3. And here we are. So in this one, I'm gonna kind of dive into, I tried this new course on Coursera. It's like this website that like you can learn things and like get certificates and stuff. And I found out that they have one for like social media marketing. So, in like Meta, which is like Facebook and Instagram marketing. So I'm gonna try that because it seems like that's a good place to like kind of grow my brand or whatever, because a lot of people like, there's a lot of ads on Facebook, I ain't gonna lie. So like every like at least like 4 posts is kind of like an ad, I noticed, which is kind of crazy. But so I think that'd be a good way to get people to see my like products and my channel and all that stuff, and like share more with them, and maybe hopefully the people who actually are interested in my kind of stuff could actually find me, because right now it seems like they're like having trouble. So I got into a course about that. So, and then also I'm putting together a new product I'm super excited for. And also I'm going to show you a little bit about how I make my bath bomb. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and stay tuned and I'll show you how it goes. So this is a social media marketing course I'm taking on Coursera. And right now it's kind of like a history course, but it has about 5 courses. And it's like teaching me about things like, but I'm kind of learning. I've already learned this stuff because I was in school for marketing, so I don't know. We'll see how good it is. I'll let you guys know how it ends up being. And here I have me making some bath bombs. I kind of sped up the process like 3 times, so it doesn't take too long, because this takes like an hour. So I added all my different dry ingredients. Then I get to add all my essential oils and smell goods, all the good stuff for your body, some nice nutritional vitamin E oil and some grapeseed oil and all that good stuff, and you know, all the stuff you want to put on your body. And you just hop in the bath and it just makes you feel like, oh yeah. There it goes. Alright you guys, so I've been working on this new product that I have. It's like, with my bath bombs, it's like a bunch of them. So I got this. It's like a nice little cute little candy jar. So I'm gonna be putting them in here. I got my own little custom label printed. Gotta set that thing down. And then I got like, I'll show you my label right now, watch. Alright, so we're here on Canva. This is like the best place to make your labels. Like, you can make any kind of design. I use it sometimes for like my Instagram posts, my like YouTube like banner and stuff. I made it all on here. So these are some of the cool things I made. Oh, my thumbnails and stuff. But yeah. So if you ever want to make like a label or anything, this is the place to do it. Right here. You gotta go there. If you want, I can make a video showing you how I make some of these, but cause look at this beauty. Dun 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 dun. Blissful bunch of bath bombs. So there's gonna be 30 in the jar. It's gonna be like 8 different scents, and I'm super freaking excited. This is the front. I'll show you the back. Let me go over here. Bum ba da da. Ta-da! 100% handmade, all loving good stuff. 100% vegan, phthalate free, sulfate free, paraben free, all the good stuff you want. And so yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna have this on that thing over there. And it's gonna be so nice.
So I can't wait. Literally, I have those. I sent the order, so those should be coming in within like a couple days. Hopefully, like sooner than like later, because I'm really excited to get them on there. And I'm gonna have all my bath bombs, and I already got them in like one smoke shop. I have some of my candles and all that stuff. I got them in like one of my favorite like cafe places called the Modern Tea Room. So if you're in Lancaster, California, go ahead, check them out. They're there. I have my essential oil sprays there. They're really yummy. They're almost sold out. So if you want to, you gotta go get them soon. But yeah, I think I have like a couple more there. But so yeah, I started getting stuff in a couple of stores. I'm trying to think of where should I put them in next. But it's gonna be so nice when I literally get that whole thing full of like 30 bath bombs. I'm just so excited. I've been working on this for at least like a month already. It's probably been a couple months, but this idea is finally coming together, and like I can't wait for it to be like a reality. And I'm gonna be like so happy. I'll show you guys. Okay, I'll share it with you because it's something I'm really looking forward to. So stay tuned for that one. You might have to see some of the other videos, like the next couple videos. So if you're not subscribed yet, get subscribed so you can see all the cool stuff. But yeah, so these are like I'm like making a whole like a spa experience. Like I have my candle, my bath bomb. So like you light the candle, like when you're getting into the bath, and like it makes the room smell like a nice spa experience. And then I make all these different essential oil bath bombs for like different focuses. Like I have a sleepy one. So I'm really getting excited about it. Like I'm making a little self-care box because you know self-care is important. Because a lot of people have been asking me like, how do you even practice self-care? So I was like, let me think of all the things I really like to do to help with my self-care, and like make it in like the best version of it, so I can share it with people and they can get into their self-care like routines and stuff. So I have that coming along. So I'm just super excited. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it goes.